thousands of years, humans have harnessed the power of water. Now, we've taken hydropower and turned it up to 11. We're Ampere, and this is Shower Power, the hydropower shower speaker. Shower Power is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker that installs easily onto your existing shower head. It's powered by the water from your shower, so you'll never be without your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. To us, using hydropower for a shower speaker just made sense. I mean, you're in the shower already, you might as well put that water to good use. Our hydropower system works like a water wheel in a dam. Before the flow from your shower reaches the shower head, it rotates an internal impeller, which is connected to a mini generator that charges a battery. The moment the water starts to flow, shower power starts to charge. And even when the shower is off, the internal battery allows for up to 10 hours of speaker use. In addition to being powered by renewable energy, the plastic components in shower power are made from 100% recycled ocean plastic, with more than 15 bottles in every speaker. Just because we designed shower power to be eco-friendly doesn't mean it's lacking in tech. For whatever you like to rock out to, shower power delivers big, immersive sound in your bathroom. Our own Soundwave diffuser delivers 360-degree sound, so you will always have great multi-directional sound no matter your shower type.
For those who want a little extra sound, we've designed a mini waterproof speaker that pairs with shower power called the Droplet.
We had the idea for shower power over 2 years ago and have been working towards this Kickstarter ever since. During that time, we have launched 3 Kickstarters and our community has grown to over 10,000 backers. With your help, we're excited to finally make shower power a reality. So, if you want to amp up your shower game, please back our campaign and share it with your friends. Thanks.
You want to go outside?
You want to go outside?
You want to go outside?
Want to go outside?
Want to go outside?
Otis, you want to go outside, bud?
You should do this more often.
Of course you do.
Need to go? No. I'm good.
Alright, well, hey, you guys.
MyQ Pet Portal is a fully functional door installed by professional technicians. The Bluetooth Pet Portal sensor activates a cleverly hidden smart panel that you can control in manual mode to let your dog out. So they can take care of business and pleasure. The in-app activity log lets you see their day from wherever you are, and an optional automatic mode gives you the ability to let them do it all on their own. So they get the freedom to come and go, and you can sit and stay.